Hey, this is an update on our wheatgrass, eliminating and getting rid of grey hair. And, well, it's probably been nearly a year since I made my first video on it. And, well, we're still taking wheatgrass. We're also taking barleygrass juice powder. And last winter, so from about October onwards, we stopped growing our wheatgrass because it was just we didn't want the extra work over winter, and so we started to take wheatgrass juice powder, and we also took barleygrass juice powder, and so we've been doing that ever since. And we take probably about 2 teaspoons of each, about 6 days a week, and yeah, it's working well. It seems to be doing the job as well as our wheatgrass, our fresh wheatgrass juice. So I've taken a video of Vernon's hair, and you can see it's really got deep tones of deep yellow, and it's, you know, it's just got deeper tones now than what it had when I took the video last year. And my hair is, you know, it's still getting its natural color, like the darker, it's actually the parts that do have the color are actually much darker now, back to, you know, because I had brown hair, and so I still have the brown hair, and so those have deepened, and I've still got the white on top there. But in between the whites, there are more dark hairs growing. Like you'll see mostly white hair and dark hair, dark white, white, dark, all kind of peppered. And that wasn't the case in the front. In the front, it was just basically white. When I took the video last year, the little dark hairs that were only about or less than half an inch long, they were just starting to grow. So now they're just in there now. And yeah, so, and I've got a video of my hair too, and from the back as well. hope this helps you to decide whether or not you're going to take wheatgrass. and I think it's not just for hair, it's for your general health and wellness, that it's a good thing to take. The grass juice powder, so or the fresh grass juice. Yeah, and we're still, well, I mean, we're on our vegan diet, and I'm doing a raw vegan diet, fully raw, since last September, so that helps too. And so yeah, well, hopefully we'll have another update for you, and a continued improvement and regeneration.